Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Aisa if you're new. Thank you so much for clicking on this video if it's your first time on this channel. So today, Valentine's Day is approaching. So I decided to come up with this look, If you need any last minute Valentine's Day looks, ideas, this is one that you could use. I hope you guys really like this look. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe before this video starts. And yeah, I just hope you recreate this look. And if you do, please let us know in the comments down below. And also tag us on social media, So we would like to see how you recreate this look. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. So let's get into it. Hey guys, so as always I'm going to be starting with my MAC Prep+Prime primer. I'm just going to apply that all over my face and let that soak in. Oh yeah, take it baby. Oh yeah, baby fresh. Your problem, they for your back, and you wonder why boys they follow around. Every other day they do for your yard. Paparazzi say follow you about. Girl, when you walk down the highway, you they make men easy. Girl, when you walk down the highway. Next, as always, I'll be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills cream contour kit, and I'll just be going in with that coral color first to color correct my dark spots. Every other day, every other man say they're on fire. But baby, on that, baby, on that. After, I'll be using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color 340. Now, I think this is a little too dark for me, like just a little darker. But to be honest, it's not that bad. It's okay. I can still work with it, And yeah, I'm first patting that with my brush, as you see me do there, and then in the end I'm going to be kind of using my beauty blender to make sure that it's all blended in. I know I look crazy guys, but don't worry, it's all gonna come together. Every other day, every other man say they're on fire. But baby, on that, you better don't drop that thing. Now going back in that Anastasia Beverly Hills cream contour kit, I'll be using that nude color to highlight certain areas of my face. So I'm going on my forehead, the bridge of my nose, underneath my eyes, and my chin. And I'm also going to highlight right underneath where I would normally contour. And I'm going to blend all of that with my beauty blender. Still using that same contour palette, I'll be using the color chocolate, and then I'm using this to contour my face. So I'm gonna contour my nose, my cheekbones, my jawline, and my forehead, of course.
This bad is a problem.
Now I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit, and I'm using this to just set the areas I've highlighted and contoured. So I'm using Macchiato to set the highlighted areas, and then I'll be using, I think it's Havana, to set my contoured areas.
You make men easy. Girl, when you walk down the highway, spiritual men don't they lose faith. Your problem, it's a problem. This problem, it's our problem. The boys them, now we will solve them. We'll be join them together and solve them.
So moving on to my brows, yes, I'll be using the same pencil you guys have been seeing me use. It's from L'Oreal, if I'm not mistaken, and yeah, it's almost on its last leg basically, so I'm just toughing it out until it's done. And then after filling in my brows, I'm just going to correct them slightly using the color Havana from my ABH cream contour kit. So because I want this eye look to pop, I'm going to set my eyelids with the, I think it's the concealer, the Nude concealer from the ABH cream contour kit, and I'm just going to let it dry before I apply any eyeshadow to my eyes. Now using my Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette, I'll go in with that color Alchemy, and I'm going to be using that as a transition color, so I'm just packing that on in the crease area. Next I'll be using the color Gossip, and I'm just going to add that to the outer corner of my eye and just go all the way up to the middle of my eyelid. Lastly, I'm going to go in with the color Bump and apply that to the inner corner all the way up to the middle of my eyelid. Now I started applying that with the brush, and I did spray my brush before and it just wasn't applying well at all, so I switched to applying it with my fingers, which was way better, guys. Like, it made such a difference. And of course I'm going to make sure everything is blended and that there's no harsh lines, guys. Moving on, I'm going to be using the same blush I always use, that same color from the Duo palette. And yeah, I'm just going to place that on my cheeks. Using the Carli Bybel palette, I'm going to use that first color first to put into my inner eyes, and then the second color you guys see me pointing is mostly like more of a golden color, and that's what I'm going to use to highlight the rest of my face. So yeah. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention, guys, that I did apply my mascara and I did pop on some lashes off camera and do my eyeliner. The lashes, they're like from this hair company, so I don't know, but yeah, this was my first time using them. So going into my Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette, I'm going to be using the color number 4, and I'm just using that to outline my lips. And then I'm gonna go with that color number 3, which is kind of like a salmon color, and I really liked it. It was really like nice. This is my first time using it and I loved it. So to finish off, of course, I'm going to use my Fix to Spritz setting spray and just spray that all over my face, guys. So this is the final look, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video because I really enjoyed creating this look, and I really like how it turned out. Like, I don't know, I'm in love with this look, so I'll definitely wear this more often. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye, guys.
What else? Your body will kill me. Yeah. Up in every Ram Town. Yeah.